Hello and welcome to EMS for SOLIDWORKS tips and tricks. Today we will look at understanding section plots in EMS. Here I have a model of a linear hallback and I have the air geometry surrounding it. So I've run a simulation, and when I go to looking at the results, say for example, when I want to look at the magnetic flux density, I see them to all be blue in color. And the reason is we have the air box, and what we see is the value of the magnetic flux density at the extremities of the air box. To see what's inside, we need to do what is called as a section plot. To do a section plot, you can right click on the plot that you are interested in, go to clipping and select section clipping. You can section on any of the planes that you see here. For example, you can section on the front plane, which is the SOLIDWORKS front plane of the assembly, or the top plane or the right plane. Here we will choose the front plane. If you don't see the section properly, you may want to check the inside out button so that you can reverse the section. So here I'm able to properly see the section plot. Another option is to plot only on that section plane. So you can select plot on section plane. A lot of times when you do section plot, you want to make sure that the outline of your geometry is visible to you. In that case, you can go to the settings tab of the section plot. Under the boundary option, you can select model edges. This will ensure that you select and see all the model edges and helps you to relatively place the section with respect to your model. There are other options in the section plot. For example, you can change the relative position of the section. So for example, here I can move my section to a region that I'm interested in. So I can keep moving the section till I come to a section that is of interest to me. I can also create multiple sections. So for example, I can create a section that shows me the front plane as well as a section that shows me the top plane. And I can move these sections relative to each other. You can also click on the chart options to see the options that are available to you in the section plot. For example, you can show the maximum area. You can annotate the location of the maximum value in your plot. You can also change the values of the color chart. Say for example, you want the color chart to be from a top value of 1.5 Tesla to a bottom value of 0 Teslas. You can actually change them, and here your section plot will be updated for the respective values of the color chart. Thank you for watching this video.